how to public slash private your Threads account. So here in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to private or public your Threads account. So here, let's get started, guys. So just a quick and a simple, a few minutes video because it's very easy and anybody can do this. Even a 5-year-old kid named Michael Jordan. Anyways, here's how you do it. All you need to open your Threads. So once you open your Thread, click on your account on the bottom right corner right here. After putting your account on bottom right corner here, click on your top right corner right here on the two horizontal lines. After pressing right there, all you need to do is click on privacy right here. So here at privacy, you see private profile. Now all you want to do is press on the private profile right there. After pressing on private profile, you see private profile. When your account is private, only followers can see and interact with your threads. Your replies will be visible to followers and individual profiles you reply to. So there you go, as you can see right now. Once we turn it on, there you go. Switch to private profile. Only the followers can see and interact with your threads. Your replies will be visible to followers and individual profile you reply to. All you need to do is press on OK. There you go. As you can see right now, our account has now been private. There you go. That's how easy it is, guys. That's how easy to private your account. And if you want to make it public, all you need to do is press on that right there. And switch to public profile. Anyone on or off threads can see and interact with your content. All we need to do is click on OK. There you go. That's how easy it is, guys. So now we are back in public. So there you go, guys. That's how I do it. I hope you guys like the video. Please join. If you have more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below, guys. I'll be happy to answer here as soon as possible on how to rock it. And thank you, guys.